Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get and use the pickup pot in Plants vs Brainrots game gym update. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is one of the new items from this gym update, and if you want to get this pickup pot, you need to complete this quest. You need to give your brain rots to this machine, and then after you give 25 brain rots, you will get pickup pot in the buff spinach seed, and also this gym bro any Sigmalini. I don't know how to call it. Okay, and then I'm going to show you guys how you can use this pickup pot. I'm going to apply it to my plant. Okay, you can equip this item and then you can select your best plant to pick up. And for example, I'm going to pick up this Mr. Carrot plant like this, and then you can shoot the brain rot closer like this. Okay, yeah, it's cool guys. And okay guys, that's how you can use the pickup pot in Plants vs Brainrots game on Roblox new gym update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.